Hey, it's Randy here with RealOngoingIncome.com, and I put this video together to help clear up any confusion surrounding internet marketing. Most don't know where to begin, or even how things work, or the reason behind it all. So let's begin. First, there's you, the internet, and money. The internet is like a bridge between you and the money. Now, the big mystery here is figuring out everything in between. I say this because this is where most people get lost. Sometimes they spend years, literally, floundering around without seeing any real success. The shortest path between 2 points is a straight line, obviously. Now, part 1, choosing a business model. Now, there are many business models to choose from. Some are better than others, some take more time, and others still have more profit potential. But if you really want to make an income that you can live off of, you should focus on creating or acquiring your own sales funnel. A sales funnel is simply the process of taking a prospect and turning them into a customer. The cool part is that a sales funnel, when done properly, is mostly automated, which frees up your time to focus on marketing. This helps to create time freedom, which is what we're all after. You simply send targeted traffic to your funnel, and it will do most of the heavy lifting for you, sifting and sorting your prospects. The more traffic you can send on a consistent basis, the more money you will make. Once you get a process in place, the sky is the limit. Now let's break down a simple sales funnel. They usually consist of a lead capture page, an autoresponder, and an offer of some kind. The biggest mistake that a lot of new marketers make is sending traffic directly to a sales page. They do this with the hope of making a quick sale, but it's kind of like shooting yourself in the foot. Most people online won't purchase the first time, so a lot of money is being left on the table. The first page of the sales funnel that people see is called a lead capture page. Its main purpose is to present an offer so enticing it persuades the visitor to give up their email address. A sales funnel is mostly used in combination with email marketing. Once a visitor enters their email address into the form, it's stored into an autoresponder system. This is just a fancy name for a software that manages a database of email addresses. It's the most valuable tool a marketer can have in their arsenal. You should never even think of doing business online without one. Another feature of an autoresponder is to send out follow-up messages in autopilot, building your business in the background. This is where money can come in while you're sleeping or even watching TV. Now don't be fooled. You'll see a lot of marketers selling hyped up programs promising the next loophole. But if you really pay attention, you'll see they're building their email lists too. Be very careful to observe what they do, not just necessarily what they say. Now, building a sales funnel of your own can seem like a daunting task, which it is. I've done it enough, so I know. You need to pick an offer, write the copy, build your pages, and write your emails. Then you need to test it out and make sure it converts well. If not, you could be potentially wasting a lot of time and money. If you're just starting out, I'd recommend a done-for-you sales funnel, like what you see here. That is exactly what NPN Builder is. It's already set up and monetized. The email follow-ups are even written for you, and you get like full credit for all the sales. All you need to do is send the traffic. Let's go over the next section. What to promote. There are many different types of offers to promote and many different pricing models. Let's go over them. First, you have physical goods and digital products. Digital products are preferred over physical products because the profit margin is much higher. There are no overhead costs and no shipping costs associated with digital products. This allows you to make a lot more money. Now, there are three main ways of pricing digital products. You have high ticket, recurring commissions, and low ticket fixed. High ticket products are just what the name implies. They can be priced anywhere from $500 to $1,000 or more. The benefit here is that you can make a lot more money, which you can put back in your business and make it grow. It can help pay for your advertising, for example. That being said, high ticket sales can take a little more effort to sell to your potential customer. Next, I should say, you have recurring commissions where your customer is billed a certain price each and every month until they cancel. Companies like Netflix have figured this out, this particular model, and they found it highly profitable and have had wild success with it. It would be naive to think that customers will stay forever. Some will stay for years, some for 1 year, and some for 3 months. In the end, though, your revenue is quite high and comparable to high-ticket commissions. The more value you can provide, the longer your customer will stay on average. Finally, you have low-ticket fixed, which is what most new marketers are trying to sell. While the idea of selling low-priced products seems appealing, you need to sell a lot more of them in order to make a decent income. At the beginning of each month, you'll need to start all over again, which really sucks. Let's do the math. Let's say you have a monthly long-term goal of $3,000. If you're selling a $10 product, it's going to take you 300 sales to make $3,000 per month. And this is each month. Unless you're a super advanced marketer, these are very difficult numbers to hit. With high ticket sales, you only need to make 3 sales of $1,000 each to hit your income goal. Not bad. And with recurring commissions, you can hit this goal with 75 customers paying you $45 a month. You can work on building your customer base each month. Ideally, you want either high ticket and or recurring commissions, because with low ticket fixed, the odds are stacked against you. And finally, when it comes to selling digital products, you can either create your own or sell someone else's products for a commission. This is known as affiliate marketing. Now, in the beginning, it's much simpler to start off as an affiliate because everything's already set up and you can just focus on the marketing. That's what I did when I first started out. It can take a lot of time to create your own products and figure out how to market them. Global NPN provides the ideal solution because it uses a subscription-based model offering digital products, which is really cool. The products consist of tools and training that people need and already use to market their business online. You can see right here I'm using the video hosting, and I use pretty well all the tools. Examples are an autoresponder, web hosting, sales funnel creators, ad tracking, video hosting, and web classes. Now, let's go over the fun part, marketing. Now we're going to go over part 3. Having a product or joining an opportunity is the first part of the equation. Next, you need to figure out how to market it. After all, that's why it's called internet marketing or affiliate marketing if you're an affiliate. Now, there's a fast track and there's a slow track, and it's dependent on whether you have more time or more money. First, let's look at a few marketing myths. That's why that girl there is all looking surprised. There are ads everywhere telling you that you can turn $2 into 200,000 while sitting in your underwear or something similar to that. And that's why most people in the internet marketing niche are not successful. It's because they treat this like the lottery instead of a business. And as soon as they see another hyped up product, they move on to the next big thing, or what they think is big, thinking the grass is greener on the other side. I'll be straight up with you. If your grass is brown, you need to water your lawn. It's not the opportunity itself that makes you successful. It's how you market it. Once I got that in my head, I actually started making money. The process here is actually quite simple. It goes traffic, leads, and sales. It just flows just like that. Some people overcomplicate it. It's not really that complicated. And also, there's also people saying you can start a business for free, like literally zero. Now imagine going into Walmart and asking for a free TV. If money doesn't exchange hands, who gets paid? Yes, the barrier to entry is much lower online than a traditional brick and mortar business. However, this is a business and should be treated as such. You'll need tools, and if you want to see success faster, you need traffic and lots of it. Free traffic can work, don't get me wrong, but it's painfully slow and requires a lot of time and patience. You need to create highly valuable content on a regular basis. Any money made with free traffic should be reinvested into paid traffic. That way you'll have more time freedom and you'll be able to grow your business much faster. I don't know about you, but that's why I kind of got into internet marketing, because I wanted more time. That is how most of the top earning affiliates and product owners approach it. With paid ads, it's really important to get the big picture and focus on your numbers. This will allow you to create a predictable and profitable marketing system for yourself. For example, let's say your funnel is converting at 1% from unique visitor to sale, and you make $40 per sale on average. This data tells you that you can spend $40 for every 100 visitors and still break even. And if you're using a recurring commission model like Global NPN, your campaign will be profitable as the months go on, which is really cool. Most people do not have a traffic problem, they have a conversion problem. Once you figure that out, it'll open your eyes up big time. Once you know your numbers, it's just a matter of taking small calculated risks and scaling things up by reinvesting your profit. That's what I do. When I buy an ad, I buy small, and if I like the conversions and numbers, then I'll buy big. I don't just buy big and then lose all my money, blast and pray, Hail Mary kind of thing. You have to be smart about it. Summary. I hope this video has helped you gain insight into how internet marketing really works. This will give you a solid foundation to build your business in an intelligent manner. The biggest tip I can give you is to be consistent with your marketing. Don't try something for a week and then stop or move on to something totally different. Keep going no matter what, and make adjustments along the way based on your results. And don't be afraid to ask for help. You'll find my contact information at the bottom of this page, or you can email me. I'm always available. Global NPN provides you with everything you need to achieve financial freedom. You just have to take action. Cheers. Have a good day.